Should we try this? You saw him from the outside. You want to jump over? It's a barrier, so kitten can't come out. You can jump over. Wow, and Simba is here too. Let's put the barrier away. Let's have a look. This will be Simba's first one. Yeah, that's your new sister. I know you haven't seen her yet. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. I know you have to wait now. Yeah, I know you have to wait now. Oh no. Gone. Yeah, I understand. It's a bit much. I understand. You just want to see me. I'm coming down now and let kitten out again, okay? You want to explore again? No, it's too much. Hi, Simba. I know you're talking. I know. Okay, I let you out. Maybe another time, okay? Yes, I know. Want some coffee? It's all finished.